Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Alteration in tear proteins in patients with persistent eye pain after refractive surgery. OHSU study. In a new study published in the Journal of Proteome Research, Oregon Health Science University, researchers discovered a connection between levels of certain proteins found in patients' tears and persistent pain months after surgery. The team hopes their findings could eventually help in the development of new screening tools and treatments for patients. A lot of people think tears are just salt water, when in fact we are able to detect thousands of proteins in human tears, said Sue Aicher, Ph.D, corresponding author on the study and a professor of chemical physiology and biochemistry in the Oregon Health University School of Medicine, who studies how cells function in neural circuits, particularly in pain. It is such a rich proteome, and those proteins may impact the activity of nerves at the surface of the eye in the cornea. The team recruited 120 study participants in Miami and Portland. None reported any eye pain before refractive surgery. 3 months after surgery, researchers took tear samples using a thin filter paper inserted beneath the lower eyelid to wick tears from the eye surface. This non-invasive procedure is used clinically for other diagnoses such as assessing dry eye disease. From the group of participants, 16 reported they still had pain. Researchers compared these participants' tears with those of 32 participants who had no pain and identified 2748 proteins in tears from both groups of participants. When they compared protein profiles among the two groups, they found that some proteins differed in people who experienced long-term pain compared with those who did not. Additionally, researchers found patterns of protein differences mattered. Looking at 3 or 4 proteins together was better at predicting pain than a single protein. The study's lead author, Brooke Harkness, OD, MS, FAAO, Assistant Professor of Ophthalmology at Oregon Health Science University, KCI Institute, works with patients who have severely dry eyes, corneal pain, and other ocular surface diseases. Many of these differential proteins are involved in pathways of the immune system, inflammation, and damage to the corneal nerves, she said. So it's not a random mix of proteins, but a pattern that we are seeing. I think that's pretty exciting. These refractive surgeries are typically elective. Harkness said, if you can give people information about their individual risk level for developing persistent pain after surgery, they can make a careful decision about whether they want to proceed. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.